Right, I'm going to go unaided today, right? Coffee from scratch. So, in here, look, you got your water thing. So I've got to pull that out, a water reservoir. Pop that in a sink. Look, that's got loads of capacity. So, unlike my Tassimo, you don't have to keep refilling it every 2 seconds. You know, it seems to be like every time I need to fill it, it's like 1.5 mugs. So, pop that in there. Oh. There you go, let it seat in properly. Turn that. Now we're going to put some beans in. So there's your grinder. Here's my beans. These beans. That's not right, is it? Stupid. Okay, pop the lid on. So we're going to switch on, and remember we need that flashing light to stop and go solid, and that light to come on. Let's get everything in place. So, got everything I need. I've got my cup. Look at that. So, I am going to do my frothy milk directly in there. Okay, I got semi-skimmed today, so I don't like the fully skimmed. Pop that in. Make yourself cappuccino. Okay, that's stopped. So we are ready to start with our grinding. Pop that in until it fits right. There we go. I've got my double espresso thing. Go down to 1.9. Ooh, it's gone to 2, but that's alright. So I've gone slightly over. A little tap, just to level it out a bit. So, I am now next going to do my frothiness. So that is going to go to there. That's going to heat itself up. Spurting out now. So we'll bring that there. I can feel it getting warmer. Frothing up a bit, and it's thickening up a bit. Heat up nicely, temperature's good. So, whoa, what a mess. Turn that back to that, and you start with your wiping. Get it all off the hot bit, because otherwise that'll cake on and stay on. And then take all the stuff from the surrounding area so that Alison doesn't go absolutely batshit, which is prone to do when I make my usual amount of mess. but it's her own fault. So, we've got that there. Just going to tamp it down. There you go, just lightly so it's level at the top. Pop the tamper back. Pop that in there. And turn it into the right position. And here we go. Press the double one. Because that's a double shot of espresso in there. Look at that beautifulness. Look at that. 24-second time, that's alright. So you're going to have a little taste of it. Tell me how good my coffee is. Go on. I know she's coming in just as it's like about to finish, so you can steal my coffee.
It's alright.
It's alright.
Yeah.
It's not the best coffee you've ever had.
It's better yesterday.
Well, there's no bitterness, so the grind's good. I think it's amazing and the best coffee that I've ever drunk. So, there you go.
I'd like to know why there's milk everywhere.
No, there's not milk everywhere.
I heard you go, oh, that's a mess, because you obviously took the cup out before turning the...
There's not milk everywhere.
Yeah, you obviously...
There was milk everywhere.
Yeah,
there's
see that
milk in quite a few places, but not everywhere.
I can see that there was quite a few places. You
Told you, didn't I? I bloody told you. I told them. I told YouTube you'd do that. I told them.
Yeah.
You're horrible to me.